My dear friends, this is your Dr. Pandit Selvam on behalf of Groby Consultancy. ஒரு கண்ட்ரியில் ஆண்டர்பிரினர்ஸ் அதிகமாக இருந்தால் கண்டிப்பாக அந்த கண்ட்ரி ப்ராஸ்பரிட்டியாக இருக்குங்கிறது recorded informations. So today we talk about our Indian people, how they are so much entrepreneurial. Now Indian they are born entrepreneurs. They are not made entrepreneurs. அதுக்கு எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் நிறைய சொல்லலாம். ஈவன் யூ ஸ்டார்ட் ஃப்ரம் ஹோமில் என்னென்ன இருக்குது? ஃபுட்டு, கிளாத்திங், ஷெல்டர். வீடு நீங்கள் வாடகைக்கு பார்க்குறீங்களோ அல்லது ஓனாக பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணுறீங்களோ, ஸோ யூ ஹேவ் அ வெரி பிரெயின் ஸ்டார்ம் த பிளான். என்ன ரேட்டுக்கு நம்ம ரெண்ட்டுக்கு போகலாம், என்ன ரேட்டுக்கு பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணலாம், என்ன இஎம்ஐ கட்ட முடியும், அதை நம்ம சேவ் பண்ண முடியுமா, இதையெல்லாம் பிளான் பண்ணி தான் ஒரு ஆண்டர்பிரினரில் ஆக்ட் பண்ணுறீங்க. டு ஓன் a house or to rent a house. Even for the celebrations, when you buy cloth, you don't just buy without thinking of anything. You try to see that how much budget will be allocated for your celebrations, how much you can spend for cloth. So you never go on buying, but you have a plan, you have a budget. Similarly, as far as the food is concerned, the vegetable ahatum, cereals ahatum, provisions ahatum, everywhere, you know where to purchase, how much to purchase, how much you require per month. So everywhere you will have a plan, and we are the only country creating more assets for our future generations, and also we have a more account in saving banks. I think saving more money for your future, predicting the future. Not only inside, when you come out, you got so much of negotiation power. Just to go by auto rickshaw, you have a bargaining. And when you buy any fruits or anything for your home, you will have a bargaining. Again, when you choose a job, you will have a bargaining, whether this job will give me so much of income. அதே போல் ஃபாரினில் போகக்கூடிய நம்முடைய ஐடி பீப்புளுமே, there are slips hanging for 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs. They choose. இப்போ நான் 10 lakhs choose பண்ணேன் அப்படின்னா, that money can be used for my wedding as well as a travel to India. So Indians are very much bonded with this entrepreneurial skill and talent. They are all born entrepreneurs. Only thing is, நம்ம அந்த entrepreneurial skill talent யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணாதனால நம்ம ரிசோர்ஸ் அன்யூட்டிலைஸ்டாக இருக்குது. அதனால நம்மளுடைய ஜிடிபி ஆகட்டும், பெர் கேபிட்டா இன்கம் ஆகட்டும், மற்ற அதர் சோர்சஸ் நம்மளுடைய அஃப்ளூயன்ஸை காட்டக்கூடிய அளவுக்கு குறைஞ்சிருக்குது. ஸோ இன்னும் நீங்கள் பட்டர் எக்கனாமியோட போய் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, the COVID கூட I think we are well managed. I think money, how much we have to spend to cover, how much vaccination to be planned, everything I think we predict ourselves and see that should not reoccurring. அதே போல் இப்போ ரியல் எஸ்டேட் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா, ரியல் எஸ்டேட் இஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த வெரி க்ரூஷியல் ப்ராப்ளம் இன் த வேர்ல்டு. யூஎஸில் இட் வாஸ் a very serious problems, out of which the whole economy had shaken. Similarly, in Chinese economy பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கூட, the real estate on COVID, and real estate plays a very vital role in shaking the economy. The growth rate now it becomes deteriorated. But நம்ம கண்ட்ரியில் ரியல் எஸ்டேட் ப்ராப்ளமாக இருந்தால் கூட, individually buying and selling, maybe it is because of certain inflationary measuresனால நம்ம முடியல தவிர, but overall the country is not facing such a heavy problem. Even நீங்கள் பட்ஜெட்டில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கூட, they will define the deficit budget, and again they will have a plan how will it let you recoup. So Indian budget பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா, everything will be in the white paper defining how much it has been allocated in every area, and a very heated controversy among the MPs and again other sitting people. So everywhere to pass a resolution, to pass everything, it is all money based, money oriented, and every individual, whether it is a men or women or a child or a school boy, everywhere they know what is the value of the money, and moreover they try to get the economic theory of spending minimum, getting maximum benefits. So there should be an introspective satisfaction in every one of us, for which I think every day we play a role in negotiating or bargaining like a businessman. So what is business? Business, I think you have to take a maximum effort as well as earning a maximum profit, super profit. And you have to introduce a technology and procurement. Everywhere there is a concept of bargaining, negotiations, and optimum utilization. That is very important. Even you spend more, you'll have to see that whether you derive maximum satisfaction. Even you spend money for your family to take a dining, for say about spending about 1,000 or 2,000, 3,000, but finally you want to see that whether utility has been derived, whether I am satisfied with my family members in spending the 2,000, 3,000 rupees in dining on the eve of the birthday, on the eve of the celebrations. So my conclusion here is, every one of you invariably, whether you are a male or female, you are born entrepreneurs. You are born entrepreneurs. You are born entrepreneurs. But you don't need to be made. Only thing is lack. There is a lack of fear. Even though you draw out a good plan in your family, you draw out a good plan in your business, you draw out a good plan in your office, but when your business comes, you don't want to take a risk, even though you have an entrepreneurial skill, entrepreneurial ability. That is why, when you look at the overall scenario, our entrepreneurial participation is very less than compared to China and other countries. So wherever there are entrepreneurial skill and trait is properly utilized and optimized, people have won the game. But even though there is entrepreneurial spirit, entrepreneurial dynamism is prevalent, that is manufacture locally, market globally, the concept is, even though it is widely popularized, but now the economy of China facing so much a problem because the entrepreneurial skill what Indian has is not prevalent anywhere in the world. So now I think every one of you will have to wake up. It is not just to get your skill and talent and go and deliver your service in terms of sitting in office or something like that. But I think I don't ask every one of you become an entrepreneur. At least majority of the people to become an entrepreneur, to augment, to utilize, to optimize all the valuable resources which we have plenty in India. So now entrepreneurials are expected, and when we talk about entrepreneur, people just side corner. They don't listen at all. Because they won't have a white collar job or sometimes blue collar job. But ultimately, the end of the 30th, the end of 31st, they want to see the money is credited in their bank account. And finally, I want to say that there are millionaires, there are billionaires and rich people in the world. But we are the only people in India. They are also looking into the welfare aspect. See, suppose Shivanada or Ramji or whoever it is being called, they will not only earn, they will not only make themselves the richest people in the India as well as to the world, but also they will have a simultaneous service like utility services like education, health and other sectors. Even if you take example of MFI, that is microfinance institutions, is very popular in Bangladesh. But none of the people has a medical facility for the poor. None of the people has reached the unreached population in terms of providing the welfare facilities like India. But if you list out anybody out of 234, even in Tamil Nadu, everybody will be associated with some welfare programs or maybe like utility programs benefiting the community. So we are very good savers, and we are all creating so much of asset, not only for individual but also for the country as a whole. But finally, what is missing, what is lacking is the usage and the optimization of entrepreneurship into the reality, into action. When your entrepreneurship put into action, our economy will be something what Sri Abdul Kalam has dreamt. I think it's one of the powerful countries in the world. Only thing is, we'll have to strengthen our per capita income, we'll have to strengthen the GDP, and we'll have to see that all the resources have been properly, optimally utilized to bring a very good result. So that is the day we have to dream. And definitely, I could again repeat that we are all born entrepreneurs, not to be made, because we've got skill and talent, everybody, whether it's literate or illiterate, whether it's a male or female, whether she is rural or urban, whether he is urban or rural, invariably everybody has got the talent, because that you can see whether it is the market, or whether it is a shopping, or whether it is a home, whether it is an entertainment program, everywhere, even by just pharmaceutical medicine, everywhere you can see that. Even if a doctor prescribes for 200 tablets, they don't buy 200 tablets. They'll buy only 100 tablets to wait for the result and then go for another maybe 100 or 50, whatever it's the number. Even to take a car, I think, we will see that, I think, whether we have 4 or 5 people to accommodate, otherwise, the gentleman will ride by two-wheeler. So that kind of the saving, bargaining, negotiating capability, we have rich enough. Only thing is we'll have to put into action. So it's food for thought for you. So I'll meet with the next video, that is how the entrepreneurial skill could be optimally utilized. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.